want to tell you about something brand new from Still and Stitches. We're doing our very first club. This club is called the Celtic Knits Club, and we are launching it and putting it on sale at the beginning of December. It is, as you can probably imagine, based on Celtic knits, more specifically cables, because cables are something that people love to look at but are often intimidated. So if you fall into that category, it's probably going to be a really good club for you. Alternatively, if you're an experienced cable knitter, I think you'll find the first couple of projects very soothing and relaxing and pleasant to work along with, and then you'll find a nice challenge by the time we get to the end of them. Now, you'll have to hurry up and book quickly because I need to get all of my orders in by the end of December, so I'll be closing the club before Christmas. So whoever is in it at that point, it's going to be fixed at that size. And that's because the yarns that we're doing are going to be custom spun for us by Donegal Yarns. It's going to be a very Irish club because the yarn itself it's a Donegal yarn, but it's 60% Irish. It's Irish fleece, but it has been graded so that it's a much softer than what you'd usually find in Irish fleece. But it is very authentically Irish, and the other 60% of that is going to come from New Zealand because it's a more steady supply, and it's also going to add a little to the softness. So that's going to be our yarn. In addition to that, when you sign up, you're going to get an exclusive planner that was made by Badly Made Books, who is local to me in Cork. And it's a 6-month planner where you can put all of your project notes and everything you're working on as you're going through the project and your progress in. There are a few other special goodies that I'm not going to tell you about yet that were produced just specially for us by some local producers here in Cork. But they will all be revealed as we go through. Now, in terms of how you pay for it, you can pay for it up front, which is going to be the most straightforward and cheapest way of doing it. If coming up to Christmas that is not going to work for you, I've also put an installment plan together where you pay a third of it up front, and then a third the next month, and a third the next month. So in addition to getting the yarn, you'll have three different projects that will come with the yarn comes for each of them. And we're going to have 3 patterns that go with it and 3 sets of tutorials working your way through. So if you're a brand new cable knitter, there should be enough information there you see you through to the end. So all of the patterns and the yarn, everything about this club is going to be completely exclusive to it. So don't miss out. Make sure you get your order in, or get an order in for someone special, or maybe someone will buy one for you for Christmas.